STR financing. The considerations are zoning, square footage, and kitchen. So let's have Yobi come up here. Yobi is one of our Condo-Tel specialists. Let's give him a round of applause. And he's going to talk to us about Condo-Tels versus lodging units and how that's going to affect your financing.
Thanks, Judy. So yeah, the biggest difference between those two type of properties is the square footage and the kitchen. Typically what we're seeing out there on the market is if it's 500 square feet or more, they consider it to be Condo-Tels, and they have a full kitchen. And full kitchen means the appliances has to be regular size, full size. It can't be like those mini fridge. Even those mini stoves won't come. You can't have those burner tops. It has to be a full-blown oven, microwave, need the sink as well. And those will be 25% down for financing. Now, if you're looking at a lodging unit, which like Ala Moana Hotel, right? Those are lodging units. It looks exactly like a hotel room. No kitchen, no sink. Those would be considered a lodging unit, and they're typically under 500 square feet. And if you do have those, the down payment is going to be 30%, and we can actually do a drive-by appraisal. So that actually speeds up the timeline. If you have a Condo-Tel and you want to do a drive-by appraisal, we can still do it with an additional 5% down. So typically those are the two type of properties that fall under short-term rentals, Condo-Tels, and the lodging units, and most of them are in the Waikiki, Ala Moana area.